Come on guys, let's wake a bit. Making silly mistakes now.
Can definitely kill this boss.
Should definitely kill this boss. Let's go.
That's ready. Let's go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
4, 3, 2, 1.
4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm not sure what Boney's trying to tell us.
3, 2, 1.
Damn it, Connor.
It's fine,
Is
Very
it though?
nice.
I believe.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Be more careful when I go back.
Careful on the left, guys. Don't soak that rippling wave.
3, 2.
There's one right behind us.
4,
Let them through.
Nice.
4, 3, 2.
You have a long time for upsurge.
Keep going.
4, 3, 2, 1.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Try to double. Top it out.
4, 3,
Good.
2,
Just keep pushing.
1.
No cores are up, so just stack
Sorry.
it. Numbers.
Sorry about that, I saw 2 Shadow Priests and double, so.
Keep going hard, guys. Get the slows.
Get the bubbles. When you get your marks, just find your buddy and stack up.
4, 3,
4,
2,
3,
1.
2, 1.
Sweet, that's one.
4, 3,
4,
2,
3,
1.
2, 1.
Nice.
Alright. Almost 65 again.
4, 3, 2, 1.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Touch the balls.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Very nice.
4,
There's a few farther ones.
2,
Keep that in mind.
1.
Leave the far left one for tanks, but make sure we get the others, guys. Those need to be taken 100%.
3,
Defense.
bit.
1.
Defenses indeed.
3, 2,
You got the innervate.
1.
Okay, no briny, please.
4,
Second
3,
part.
2, 1.
Keep Yaki up.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Anis can die. Don't need to hit him.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Get that one. Yeah. Let them through. Let them through. Dodge the orbs. Get close in darkness.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Make sure we go far now, guys. Get a lot of these.
2, 1.
Being a flapjack, like every time.
Four,
Done it wrong every time.
2,
That's fine.
1.
I mean, it's not
Helps
real,
up.
but it's fine.
Oh my god.
4,
My bubble is broken.
Okay, we got the one far in coral.
It's
Texans
only-
to get
yeah.
that.
Thanks, get the last one.
Quality taunting.
What?
I said quality taunting.
I'll grip the
You
tank and
didn't
join.
It's who's getting the last coral tank.
Gripping
Thanks.
onto the portal
Getting it.
again.
1.
Oh, Jakey has it.
Never mind.
Guardian, so green. It's really good, Marcus. Actually.
4, 3, 2,
Got it, see.
1.
Keep going.
Demon Hunter, Shadow Priest first on these.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Make sure to take them staggered, it's not all at once. Don't wait till the last second till they're close to boss.
4, 3, 2.
Do you want me to go up to 2 stacks or leave for someone else?
Just go to 1.
Just take one for now.
We all can take one and it's fine.
It's mainly because we already have 1.
I'll stick to it by accident. So I need to take the last one on the big one.
Reversing, make us right, make us right.
Yeah, I'm resting.
Yes.
3, 2, 1.
You said me one as well.
Careful.
4, 3,
These brines.
1.
4, 3, 2,
Ain't buff when you have time.
Careful.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
I'm good, I'm blocked, I'm blocked.
Yeah.
4, 3,
Oh, I couldn't get the last one down.
Got it, got
Took
it.
too long.
Keep chilling a lot.
4, 3,
Briny soon.
2,
And
1.
Rooping wave.
I'm
Stagger
gonna
these.
take these.
3,
Just take, everyone take one, guys. Not at the same time, of course, not at the same time.
Once these brownies go off, I'm putting bubbled on top of them.
Well, step up.
It's not on top of it.
Yeah, I realized.
Take the last ones, guys, take the last ones. Good job. Move.
That's a shitty upsurge.
This is really shit.
Keep pushing, keep pushing.
2,
We need to move.
1.
Kite the left.
Yes,
Kite
just get
the
out, yeah. Take the close one. Take the
End
close
of
one.
it.
Yes.
1.
Remember headstones if you haven't used them.
Okay, dodge. We find out, we find out.
If you don't have one, take. Don't take now. Don't take.
We're going into the boss now. We need to use anything I have. Darkness, anything in melee. Shout as well.
1.
I took an early one. It's worth it. Keep going.
4,
Keep going indeed. Don't move out, just keep going on boss.
Stay on your color.
Where's my color? I was over here.
3, 2, 1.
Keep going, keep going.
4, 3.
Do you think I got time to mana drink here or no?
No, it's 26 seconds.
No.
Just keep pushing. Just anything I have left.
Push boss, push boss, push boss.
You got this.
4,
You've got this if you don't die. 10 seconds.
2, 1.
Keep going.
5.
Oh,
Good
yeah.
Good job, guys.
Finally! Nice, boys!
And I die up to the kill, let's go.
You pricks left me in the briny!
I feel like killing the boss was more important.
Unluck, I rerolled it.
I like my staff, Ammo.
You actually got the coral, what the fuck?
Connor, you should.
Ammo, my staff. Woof.
Yeah.
Look at that healing.
I actually staggered the last big one though, you're welcome.
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah. Anyone
I'll
want the
take
pet?
it.
Oh, mythic pet!
Big boy.
Do you need blood?
I've got trained.
Give me that for mythic blood.